I guess you heard about affiliate marketing and now you're wondering how affiliate marketing is done. Affiliate marketing is simple said promoting other people's product for a part of the sale. And in this video I show you how it's done step by step. And there are 4 main points. So in this sentence is you, then we have promote, we have other people's product, and we have commission. We start with the first part, we start with you. You have to make the decision to start this. You don't have to make the content, and there is a lot of things you don't have to do. But the you is you have to take action, you have to decide you want to do this. The next part is promote. And promoting can mean a lot of things like talking about the product, showing a product in action, make a product review. You can use a blog, you can use social media, you can use YouTube. You can do this all in a free version and a paid version. For example, you can do a Facebook post in a Facebook group, that's free. Or you can run a Facebook ad, then it's paid and it's maybe faster. So it depends if you have more time or more money. If you have more time, you do a free version, posting content. And if you have more money, you can use the second route and pay for the views. You can use Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. So there are a lot of places you can put your ads. So if this all sounds a little bit complicated right at the moment, don't worry, I show you 3 examples of this later in this video. To the next step, product. You need a product, otherwise you have nothing to promote. There are different types of products. It can be a physical product, it can be a digital product. There are a lot of affiliate networks or companies that offer affiliate programs. For example, go to Amazon and scroll down, you see, become an affiliate. Nike has an affiliate program, Sephora has an affiliate program, DraftKings has an affiliate program, Target has an affiliate program. So there are companies you know and already buying products that has affiliate programs, and if big companies use affiliates to promote their products, it's a legit business model. The beauty with the products, you don't have to create them, you don't have to store them, you don't have to do the shipping and handling, and no customer service or anything. That's all part of your affiliate partner. Now we come to the commission. If someone buys the product, you earn a part of the sale. It depends, that part of the sale, it can be a few dollars and a few percent, 1 to 2%, or it can be a high amount. It can be $1,000 plus commissions, it can be 80 to 90%. There are also different types, so you have the low commission goods, like normally the physical products, the high commission digital products, courses that can cost $1,000 or more and can give you really high commissions. And there are also recurring products, for example softwares. If you pay a monthly fee, you get monthly recurring commissions. And how does your affiliate company know that you made a commission? From every affiliate program you get your own unique trackable link, and in this link there is stored your affiliate ID. And if someone clicks on that link, the company's program knows your ID and that you referred the customer, and you get the money. If you got value so far, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and put on the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out the link down in the description. It's a free challenge my mentor Brian is hosting, and in this challenge he shows you the 8 secrets to success with affiliate marketing, and these 8 secrets made him 400k last year. Since it's free, the worst case scenario, you spend 90 minutes of your time, but you also learn something that school isn't teaching you. And now to the 3 examples. As first example, we take a recurring product. As product we take HelloFresh, and to promote we take YouTube.
Unboxing just so I can show you what's in the box, how it's packaged, just so you know what to expect if you decide to order yourself.
For example, you could make a YouTube channel. You sign up for HelloFresh and order meals for yourself, so 3 times a week, and every time this meal arrives, you make a YouTube video about it. The ingredients, the unpacking, how to cook it, and how it looks at the end and how it tastes. Just an example, and then you put in your HelloFresh link down in the description. The next example is a high ticket. We take a high ticket course and Facebook ads. You set up a Facebook ad for a webinar, and if someone goes to the webinar, there will be an explanation about the product, about the course, and why someone needs to join it. And if someone joins from that webinar, you earn the money. And the last one is Amazon affiliate marketing on TikTok.
Hopefully this turns out okay. So you're supposed to stick the blue stick through one of the waivers and...
I think you can use every Amazon product, and to promote it, you make TikTok videos. So you show them how to unpack the product, or what the benefits of the products are. And there are a lot of channels on TikTok. Just search the hashtag TikTok made me buy it. And if you are interested in a whole tutorial just about Amazon products on TikTok, watch this video next, because in this video I show you everything step by step.